Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. I've not done this sort of video in a while. So today we're doing a day in the life. We are going to a few places. One's a gas place. We're going to go and change a drinks row to as a snack row. Well, crisp row. And then we're going to a healthcare centre and they have 2 vending machines in there. So we're going to go there to fill it up. So we've got a little bit of both today. We've got a bit of maintenance, bit of restocking, but we're also filming a lot of content today, so hopefully you can see some behind the scenes of that. Also, I'm obviously not holding the camera right now, so let's see who's holding the camera.
Hello.
Oh, your confidence is getting up, bud. Right, yeah, let's go. I'm going to be driving in rush hour traffic. I'm not looking forward to that, so maybe we can get some snacks out the back. Yeah, cool. Let's do that. I just realised.
Alright, I'll set
I realised that when I got out of the door, I didn't open it. What snack do you want?
Oh, what snack have you got?
What snack do you want?
Have you got any chocolate?
I do have chocolate. What chocolate do you want? Do I have chocolate? Yeah.
Have you got a Boost?
I probably do, yeah. Oh! Right on hand! I just tripped up and smacked my knee.
Oh!
Boost. What do I want? Maybe some Rolos.
Oh!
You got some Rolos?
Yeah.
You're not having both? Yeah.
I don't know which one do I want.
You're kidding, have them both.
Oh, you got me on that's freaking open already, mate.
There you go, saves you.
I've already been jumped by someone, that.
Oh shit! Oh, do you know what that is? It's got hit in here.
Ah.
Is
Need a hand there?
It's just Bro's noogie. Is that one alright?
Yeah,
Sorry.
I'll just have one of your rollers.
I do have quality checks before I put the stuff in the vending machine, so that wouldn't have happened if it was in the vending machine.
Yeah, actually wouldn't have.
Right, so we've just changed out a drinks one for a crisp one, and all the motors have been tested and working fine. Woo! Okay, so we've just swapped out this one. It was a drinks bottle, now it's a crisp.
Yeah.
Okay guys, next we are going to a healthcare sort of facility. There's 2 machines in there. There's a big old snack and drink machine that's filled with Coke and a smaller snack and drink machine. Same make and model as the one that we just looked at. So we're going to head there now and we will see you when we get there. It's dark because we just got to Costco. I hate it in here, so I don't know how long I'm going to last. Let's go.
Don't you worry.
What are you muttering on about?
We're not going to do a big shop, are we? No.
Oh, we clearly fucking did, so...
Oh, but wait.
No, not showing these.
Oh, but wait. Where's it gonna go?
Oh, dear. Oh, dear. What do you think, Meg?
I said when we were in there that we're a bit tight on space.
Bit tight.
A little bit tight.
Yeah, it's not gonna go. It's not gonna fit. I have to take everything out and restack it.
Whoopsie daisies.
We're worth the Mackies though.
I mean...
Right, we are going to McDonald's. We had just put everything in the van, and honestly, we did a pretty good job, I'd say.
I agree.
It all fit. Ignore that noise.
Close your ears.
It all fit, and we could even do another trip.
Do I want to?
No.
I had my snacks.
To be fair, we was in and out a lot faster than I thought it was going to be.
See, you were repping me.
Yeah. So we're going to go get some food, and then we're going to go back to the unit. And yeah. is it? There it is. This is what we're working with. Yo, that Mario is teetering on the edge.
Bye.
That was distracting.
Well, let's see if you can get the second one in. Oh, not try that one. No. Thought it was open.
No. Nah.
Nah, mate.
Nah, mate.
Behind the scenes.
Oh yeah, we're filming a skit, and I don't know if I'm gonna get in here and it's gonna break the vending machine. So it's like 1.5k test. The gas is right underneath. I can see it. Okay, I think we're alright. I think we're good. I'm good. Just not gonna be able to have my feet in the box. I like it. Can you still open the bucket?
Okay.
This is scary.
Oh my god, I can't hear you. I can a bit. Oh, this is mad. Okay, you ready to go?
Okay guys, so we have just finished doing a load of content. So, and I'm holding this because I sat in this vending machine, if you've not seen that already.
Go watch it now.
Yeah, go watch it now if you want. But yeah, I'm gonna put these tray back in and I was gonna show you how to do it. So it's literally just like a drawer. I will struggle on this top one, I'm not gonna lie, I'm only 5'4". Okay, right, so we got a loose one. Oh, that needs screwing in. That hang on. Right, okay. Oh, why are you not cooperating? Hang on. That's just gonna fall. Let go. It's so sad it's not in. I need to make it. Okay, there we go. Okay. We good. We go on my head. Okay, so you next do.
I'm holding it.
Thank you. So you next do is you get your little plug and you plug it in here. You're not gonna be able to see it, it's too dark. But there's like a little, I can't see a thing. There we go. Please do not drop. Oh my god, I end up with brain damage, even worse. Okay, so that plug goes in there, and then you literally just this needs a bit of WD-40 on it. So yeah, you just literally, it's just like a drawer, but it just needs plugging in. This one needs a bit of WD-40 on it as well. Get in, love. What the fuck? There we go. Key cookie. Right, let's get this one in. Oh, it's like one of them trying to key in me. It's like one of them where you have to do in the gym where you have to throw it up and catch it above your head. What's it called? Oh my god, what's it called? Oh, that's gonna really irritate me. Right, okay, so if you're only tiny like me, we'd really suggest getting a friend to help. Oh my god, that was so easy. Right, okay. Let's pop that there, Shrek.
I'm holding it, don't
Give it a
worry.
little plug. There you are. This is why I hire maintenance people. I would much rather pay someone a few £100 to sort of vending machine out than me sit and struggle. Stupid draw. Okay. God, I'm ready for a lie down, me. I'm not plugging that in because it's going to be an absolute. There's a fuckload of coins in there, no? Look the hell, that's well heavy. Mad. Stay now, leave that in there for a rainy day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.